Does the $1 million roundtable even matter anymore? My name is David Duford, and I'd like your opinion. And to complete a survey, I have listed below in this video to get the answer to just that question. The MDRT has been around for many decades, and many top producing insurance agents have been a part of that organization as a way to basically learn more about the business, establish themselves as highly productive agents, and to basically share their experiences and success and to learn and grow. But it seems to me in the present day of life insurance sales that the MDRT unfortunately has become irrelevant. You don't hear much about them anymore. They don't do a lot of content production. However, they are around in some capacity, and I'm just curious as why I'm doing this survey to discover really as a whole how relevant the organization is. So it's very simple. If again you go click the link, leave your comments and opinions below on the MDRT and your experience or lack thereof. Even if you've never been a part of the MDRT, I'd like to hear your opinions. And then sometime over the next week or two, I'm going to publish the results on a video and then create an article around it too as well to let you know what I found out. So thanks so much for taking 90 seconds or so to complete this, and y'all have a good rest of the weekend. See you.